Welcome one, welcome all. I am Mark Palda, a professional photographer. I have been in the photography business for well over 20 years. I want to help you succeed so you can earn money with your camera. With every episode, I will offer you sound advice so you can be part of the 15% of aspiring photographers who succeed. If you are looking for help to turn your passion for photography into a successful business, you have come to the right place. I have got the answers. My weekly episodes will help you understand how to market yourself, how to build a profitable business, and best business practices. No more feeling lost. You do not have to go it alone. Join my audio podcast and start taking my advice on turning your hobby into a profitable business. You will get access to a professional photographer and the best practices that I have learned and experienced over the years. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpalda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. Let's get started. Using social media part 3. Instagram. Instagram is one of the most popular social networks worldwide, especially among young adults. The photo sharing app was born in 2010, purchased by Facebook in 2012, and has grown to over 1 billion users who log into their accounts every day. That is a huge number. Although the app began as a place for users to share their photographs, brands quickly learned that it was a platform that could be used to market effectively. It is predicted that over 75% of American businesses will use Instagram this year. If you are thinking of promoting your business on Instagram, here are a few statistics. 200 million Instagram users visit at least one business profile daily. 62% of people have become more interested in a brand or product after seeing it in stories. 1/3 of the most viewed stories are from businesses. All this is to say that Instagram means business. And this could be good for your photography business. Who is on Instagram? According to Sprout Social, over half of global Instagram users are under 34 years old. The Pew Research Center indicates that adults 50+ are the smallest group of adopters, and are more likely to be found on Facebook and YouTube. So, despite being one of the most adopted social media networks in the world, as a business tool it might be more useful to brands that are looking to attract an audience in the under 50 range. Using Instagram with a business account. While you may already be using Instagram for a personal account, the platform has rolled out business accounts that give users deeper insights into their account statistics. To create an Instagram business account, you will need to download the app with your smartphone, and then sign up with your business email address. Creating your business account. While Instagram does give you the option to create an account with your Facebook profile, that will create an account based on that personal profile. You can always switch to a personal account later, but it is better to start your business account fresh, with a clear purpose and strategy. When opening the app, you will be given the option to sign up for a new account. Then, you will be prompted to create your username and password. For your username, use your business name, or something close to it if that username is already taken. You can also change your username later if need be. Next, you will be invited to import your contacts, and to link your Facebook account to find people to follow. Our recommendation is to skip this step for now, and work on getting your bio completed, before you start connecting to others on Instagram. Do not worry, you can always come back to this step later. Choosing your bio photo. Your bio photo on Instagram is going to represent your business. As with Facebook, go with an image of your logo, or an image that is associated with your business. A professional headshot is fine, if you market yourself as the face of your business. You will be given the option to import a photo from Facebook, but this will pull from your personal Facebook profile. So, skip that option, and just upload a logo or professional headshot from your smartphone, by choosing Choose from Library. Optimizing your bio. You have 150 characters in your bio to let users know who you are, what your business is about, and what is in it for them. You can use relevant hashtags in your bio, as well as direct users to your website or to sign up for your lead magnet using a clickable URL of your choice. Your bio will evolve over time as you have different offers to promote, so for future edits, click on the Edit Profile button on your profile. Here you will be able to change your photo, name, username, bio, and URL. Converting to an Instagram business profile. Once you have set up your profile, and are ready to start posting for your brand, you will want to convert your account to a business profile. you will need to go into your settings, which can be found in the upper right hand of the app with the 3 stacked lines menu, and then click on Settings at the bottom of the next screen. Within Settings, you will find the option to convert your account. Doing so gives you demographic data on your followers, insights into how your posts are performing, and the ability to create promotions from your posts. You can also add a contact button to your profile to encourage users to get in touch with you. In order to run a business profile on Instagram, you will need to link it to a Facebook business page. If you choose not to connect a Facebook business page, Instagram will generate an unowned Facebook page that people can search for and check into. For SEO and brand cohesion purposes, you do not want people interacting with a Facebook page associated with your business that you do not own. So, while setting up your business profile, make sure to connect to your Facebook business page. Types of Instagram posts. Though Instagram originally began as an image sharing platform, users can now also share video content, image carousels, and stories. While images are still the most common type of post, experimenting with other kinds of content can be a great way to see what your audience engages with the most. Image sizes. There are 3 image sizes that you can utilize on Instagram. By default, images are cropped to a 1080px by 1080px square. However, you can choose to use a horizontal or a portrait orientation. When you are considering images for your Instagram gallery, keep these orientations in mind. A square image is cropped to 1080px in width by 1080px in height. A vertical image will be cropped to 1080px in width by 1350px in height. A horizontal image will be cropped to 1080px in width by 608px in height. Video specifications. As with images, Instagram supports 3 types of in-feed video sizes. You can upload square videos, horizontal, or vertical. Square videos require a minimum resolution of 600 by 600 px, up to a max of 1080 by 1080 px. Landscape videos need to be 600 by 315 px at a minimum, and 1080 by 608 px at max. And vertical videos need to be 600 by 750 px minimum, up to 1080 by 1350 px. The maximum video length for in-feed videos is 60 seconds, and Instagram recommends a MP4 or MOV file type. You can find this information at markpaulthementor.com. Carousel specifications. A carousel allows you to upload between 2 and 10 pieces of content in the same post. This format is a great way to share an image with behind-the-scenes content, show a step-by-step guide, or to showcase more related content. Images and videos in a carousel will all be cropped to a square, so be aware of your compositions when using this format. Stories. Instagram stories are photos and videos that appear at the top of the home screen and disappear after 24 hours. The content shared in your stories will not appear in your followers' feeds or on your profile grid. Their ephemeral nature makes them a great way to showcase a more casual and real-life side to your business. To view someone's story, either tap on their profile photo from the top of the home screen or from their profile. The story will then appear full screen, and you will be able to see all the photos and videos they have shared within the past 24 hours. Some users can also choose to highlight some of their stories on their profile. Instagram Live. Like Facebook, Instagram has a live video function, via Stories, that allows you to stream real-time video. Live videos are great to do content with your followers, to give glimpses of real-time events, or to do a reveal in your business. In order to start a live video, open the Instagram camera, swipe to the live setting, and click Go Live. Your followers who are on the app will receive a notification when you go live, and can join your conversation by using the built-in chat feature. Followers who do not join in on your live broadcast will be able to watch it for 24 hours afterwards and will be able to access the video at the top of the home screen along with other stories. Reels. Instagram Reels is a brand new way to create fun and engaging video content. Instagram's latest video feature is available in the United States and 50 other countries. Similar to TikTok, Instagram users can record and edit together 15 to 30-second video clips set to music, and share them to their stories, explore feed, and the new Reels tab on a user's profile. In a series of Instagram stories from the @creators account, Instagram explained the Reels tab as a place to watch short, fun videos, and helps your Reels get discovered by new audiences on a bigger, global stage. On the Reels tab, instead of only seeing Reels from accounts you follow as you scroll, you will see Reels from popular and trending accounts on Instagram. The tab will provide a deeply immersive Reels experience with autoplay videos, with a creation entry point that opens directly to the Reels camera, according to Instagram. On top of selecting and adding music, there are a number of handy video editing tools to explore. The option to trim and delete video clips, a video countdown timer, the option to adjust your video speed, and a library of video effects to choose from. What and when to post to Instagram. What to post to Instagram. As a photographer, you have the advantage of being able to create and share original content that shows off your unique brand and experience. As we have discussed, changing up the kinds of posts you share can help keep your audience engaged. Here are some popular types of content to inspire you. 1. Behind the scenes images. 2. Actionable tips or ideas. 3. Client stories or testimonials. 4. Posts that promote a cause. 5. Inspiring or motivational quotes. 6. Beautiful landscapes. 7. Humorous images or videos. 8. Timely images or news. 9. Ask questions. 10. Offers, promotions or giveaways. When to post to Instagram. Multiple outlets have done studies to discover when the best time to post to Instagram is. And while the data will differ for your business based on your time zone and follower base, Sprout Social study indicates that the global high points are Wednesdays at 11 a.m. and Fridays between 10 and 11 a.m. Growing your following and driving business on Instagram. Like any digital marketing venture, growing your following on Instagram takes an investment of time and strategic effort. Once you have your profile built and optimized with a bio and a photo, begin to build out your gallery so that new followers can get an idea of what your brand is about. By posting between 9 and 15 high-quality photos, people can get a glimpse of your business and decide if they want to follow you. Use your posts and your captions to educate, inspire, and entice your followers. Engage with your followers by liking their content or commenting on their posts. Be genuine, not spammy, and you will find that Instagram is a great platform to build community around your business. If you have created a lead magnet for your business, use the link in your profile to direct visitors there. You can also use your posts to promote your lead magnet. Just be sure not to spam your followers with too many promotional posts. Being engaged Instagram is all about genuine engagement. That's why buying followers is one of the worst things you can do for your business on Instagram or on any social media channel. The algorithms of social media platforms like Instagram look for a meaningful engagement between an account and its followers. So, buying followers to make your follower count go up can result in low engagement, which will hurt your account in the long run. Instead, spend some time developing a solid social media strategy for the platform. Once you have your ideal client in mind, begin to research followers who fit that avatar. Follow them and engage genuinely with their content. Using hashtags. Hashtags function as linked, searchable keywords on Instagram, and are a great way to help your account be found. You can use up to 30 hashtags in a single post, and posts with relevant hashtags get up to 12.6% more engagement. Not only can hashtags increase engagement, but they can help your posts reach your target audience and attract more followers. Use hashtags as ways to categorize your posts as well as to get in front of your target audience that might be interested in that category. Spend some time researching your ideal client and the hashtags that they are most interested in. Look for popular hashtags and ones that fit your niche. Remember, just because a hashtag is popular on Instagram does not guarantee that your post will be seen. If a hashtag has a lot of posts, yours can quickly get buried. Instagram recently rolled out the ability to follow a hashtag, and that is a great way for you to see if a category is relevant to your niche. To research a hashtag, either click it when you see it in someone's caption or click on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the app. When using the magnifying glass icon, swipe the categories on top until you get to tags. From here, type in the hashtag you are interested in. When you click on a hashtag, you will have the ability to follow it. Then in the future, select posts will show up in your feed. This is a great way to keep tabs on the things that are important to your ideal client. Create a social media calendar. As you develop your strategy for Instagram, you will want to create a social media calendar and be consistent with your posting times. The latest stats show most brands post 5 times per week and are now sharing an average of 2.5 stories per week. While you do not have to post that often, the most content you are able to post, the faster your audience can grow. There are plenty of apps out there to help you with your social media calendar. With a free Hootsuite account, for example, you can schedule up to 30 posts across multiple social networks. Aesthetic. However, with Instagram, one thing that many photographers tend to think about is how their entire gallery looks, as well as how each individual image looks in the feed. While Hootsuite is an incredibly powerful tool, it is not a visual planner that caters to that overall view of your profile gallery. There are many other apps out there that do offer the ability to visually curate your posts in advance. The downside to apps like this is that most of them are unable to auto-post for you. Instead, they have to send you a smartphone reminder to copy and paste your content into the Instagram app. While it is not a huge amount of trouble, some people might prefer the ability to simply schedule their content and have it auto-post, which Instagram has enabled Hootsuite to do with Instagram business accounts. So, when developing your social media calendar, if you decide to use an app for Instagram scheduling, think about the pros and cons of each. Develop and maintain your aesthetic. Just like its parent company, Instagram has a very crowded and competitive feed. In order to stand out, it is important to have a strong visual identity. As mentioned before, having a cohesive identity is also important for when users scope out your profile. One way to create a consistent aesthetic is to pick a certain color palette or feel and stick to it. Another way is to pick a specific type of genre for your post. Posting content that is random creates a lack of harmony and makes your business look unprofessional. Many photographers will opt to have multiple Instagram accounts in order to accommodate their various divisions and keep to a single aesthetic per account. For example, they will have one account for wedding photography and one account for newborn images. There is no true right or wrong here. At the end of the day, it comes down to who your ideal client is. If your business is multifaceted and your ideal client is someone who will probably patronize all the facets, then look for ways to keep your content harmonized under a single umbrella account. As one of the biggest social media platforms in the world, Instagram will continue to grow and evolve as a marketing platform. It also has the power to help you reach new potential clients and to grow your photography business. By posting high quality and high value content, you can begin to build a community of followers who know, like, and trust you, and who want what you offer. By keeping a testing and learning mindset, you will learn what works for your photography business and what type of content, captions, and hashtags help you to reach your goals. A genuine thank you for joining me today for this episode. If you are serious about success in the photography business, then I am serious and ready to help. Visit markpaldamentor.com and discover a variety of ways I can help you in your journey. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpalda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. I will catch you in the next episode.